Dear friend, today we're going to talk about a new book. This is a short design review about a design book, and we are talking about how to design cars like a pro. This is a very famous book. There have been two editions. This is the first one, 2003. This book has been made by Tony Lewin, who works for Automotive News Europe, and Ryan Borrof. And after later, they made a new book. The second version has the same title, but has of course new content, new images and new interviews. Why is this book important? And now we're going to look at it together. Because this book is divided into 4 main chapters, and with this book you can learn a lot about car design from an historical point of view, but also from an industrial point of view, talking about design process, and also from a school design point of view, because there is a section dedicated to design students and their projects. This is a book that you must have in your library. Of course I bought it when it was time to buy it. And you have also a great variety of projects from American design, European design, Japanese design. There are lots of interesting interviews to people that have been really important in the history of car design, but also recent history. We have the first chapter is about what is design, and this is the classical question we always ask ourselves, we always debate, there's a lot of talk about it. And here there is a very interesting interview from JMAs and other people of his level. Here, for example, we have Shiro Nakamura, ex-Nissan, Roberto Piatti from Torino, Steve Bertone. At that time he was in Bertone. They talk about design schools, Coventry, design process. The good thing is that some of the most iconic concept cars of the early 2010, they are here, and their history. For example, here we have history of Renault, with the most important projects that were ruled by my ex-big boss Patrick Lequemont, who really made history, in French design in France with the restart in a modern way of the Renault Design Studio that then became Renault Design Studios around the world. And here you can see also some of the projects, some of the great work done by some of my ex-colleagues. And then the good thing is that here there is also another section. Here we are in Jaguar. You can see some differences in terms of techniques, the way they work. And here we have some explanations about the design process, in which you can learn about side views, proportions. Here, basic rules, the things I teach, design techniques with all the explanations. Then we have also a little bit of history of automobile design. So I really think that you should buy this book if you can. This is a book that must be in your library, especially for those young design students that probably don't know very much about design history, design process, and how great designers started, or what's the story behind some iconic concept cars and iconic products, iconic car designs that are today in production. This is a great book. It will teach you a lot. You should have it. I hope you enjoyed this short video, and please put your like, share this video if you want, and if you are new, you are welcome to subscribe to help this channel to grow more. Thank you very much. Bye bye. Ciao.